This is how you can get into game development industry and get an internship job or a project. It's only a matter of time and some efforts which can change the way how you communicate with people in your profession and apply for a job in a way that no one else has ever thought of. Because people who are already in the industry have done something differently that we don't. Good news for us, it's actually quite simple. These simple steps will walk you through the process of how you can create your own way into the game development industry and get an internship or a job in a company that you have dreamed of. Before starting anything, first you have to plan out your strategy, that how you want people to know about you and get interested. For example, look at these two LinkedIn profiles of game developers. Whose profile gonna intrigue you more? Is it coder by heart, game developer by profession, or aspiring front-end game developer and freelance graphic designer? The first one doesn't intrigue me at all, whereas the second one looks professional and intrigue me on point. Follow people who are already in that company where you want to be. See what they are doing and what they have done to be there where they are right now. Follow up with them, drop reasonable and interesting comments on their post, interact with them, make them remember you. For example, here is a tweet Nikhil Malankar tweeted a while ago. A good follow-up example will look like this. What credentials do you look for when you check someone's portfolio as a game programmer? Here I am asking about his opinion and expectations from a game programmer if he is hiring. Whereas a bad follow-up example will look like this. I have done my graduation in electronics, I want to join gaming development industry. What should I include, exclude in my CV, blah blah blah. You get it. You can Google what to include and exclude in a CV. Following up gonna benefit you in the long run. You may get referred by that person for a job or something, and you're growing your network bigger at the same time. Start connecting with people, add them on your LinkedIn, build a good portfolio to showcase your work and your projects which you have worked on. If you are wondering what a good portfolio looks like, I have already made a video on that which you can check out later. Share what you are learning and which type of projects you are working on and post it everywhere. You started learning game development? Post it. You're working on an interesting project? Post it. You're making the next GTA 6? Post it. Your girlfriend dumped you? Post. Watch out. Cause sometimes I look Okay, that's enough smashing buttons. But speaking of smashing buttons, you know what I mean. Anyways, let's say you followed them, followed up, made a good portfolio, shared your progress, but all of this is just a waste if you don't reach out to people and ask them for opportunities. I know, we all are scared of rejections. What if they just see my message and left it on read? Or what he's gonna think of me? What matters is the way how you reach out to them and learn from it if it didn't go as planned. The best way you can communicate or ask something from someone is by cold emailing or by messaging. Here are some examples of what a good and a bad cold email looks like. Starting from the subject of both emails, you can see this title is gonna look interesting to the receiver, whereas this one I can't say the same. And it's also look kinda spammy. In this email, I started the paragraph by addressing him and his work. Then I made a connection between me and him. Then I finally offered my services and asked for an internship opportunity. Whereas in this email, you can see the difference clearly. In fact, this cold email got me an internship in Gamion Studios, and this was Nikhil's reply to this mail. If I had sent this email, his reply would be like, you get the point. Anyone can get into this industry only if he wants to. Follow these simple steps of follow, connect and reach out. If you are struggling or don't know how to start things and get going, you can get the same results just by changing some patterns and ways to approach people that will make a big difference and will change your career. That's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe to this channel if you learned something from it. तो ठीक है, अब मैं चलता हूँ. Bye bye.